on. I think I broke my helmet just now. Why is it tweaking out?
Yeah, what?
I think I broke my fucking helmet.
Huh.
I don't know, it's flickering. What the fuck is going on?
Battery's dead now?
No, what the? Maybe the battery is dead.
Because it uses the arc to charge it, I think.
Flickering.
I think it's solar powered, I think.
Fucking flickering. That's so weird.
Oh, it's flickering the on, dark, and light?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay. It's probably getting, the light is shutting it off. You're passing by that bright light, it's shutting it off. I mean, turning the...
Oh. He wants to start welding, man.
You ready?
Yeah.
Might be moving too fast, but it's okay. Yeah, your movement's down already.